It's National Chocolate Milk Day. I'm going to make some chocolate milk, some chocolate almond milk.
Hey, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Today is September 27th. It's the 270th day of the year. It's only 95 more days left in this year now. And today is National Chocolate Milk Day. Can you believe it? The way I love to make a perfect glass of chocolate milk, even though I haven't done it in a very long time, is to put the chocolate in first down at the bottom and then add the milk. We're going to see if I still like it and see if almond milk works just as good. Greatness is a byproduct of intentionality, honey. You got to be on purpose with this thing. We can't give up. We only have 95 more days. You know, we could actually get our mind right and do some amazing things before the end of this year. Look at that. I'm trying to get, this is a reusable straw, by the way. Okay. Chocolate almond milk ain't bad.